Welcome back, eighth episode of this wonderful series where we do SQL. We're back to the fundamentals and we'll in the future maybe do some Databricks and some ML and data science. But for now, we're with SQL. I think I would like to do Python also afterwards using LeetCode just to make sure that we have solid fundamentals and then we can move on to funny things. So yesterday we got stuck with that one, so I'll just make sure that because it's fresh, I'll just remove it and try to do it again. So we had the students, the subjects, and the examination. I think the key was that we needed to do a cross join between the students table and the subjects table, and then we needed to do left join and basically just an aggregation. So let's try to do it. We're going to select, okay, this is going to be from students as S. Select S dot student ID, S dot student name. Um, okay, that's it. From S, cross join. This is a famous thing that we learned yesterday. Um, mm, mm, Subjects as sub. All right, let's just see, just to understand what does that do. And to my understanding, it takes like this one and it applies it this one and this one. Um, of course, I need to put the sub dot subject name. How do I automatically, like, what is the shortcut to, is it shift option? I don't know. Let's see. I was looking for the short key combination to run the code. Math, physics, programming. This is for Alice, and then math, physics, programming, programming, physics, math. But yeah, that we just need to order it. But basically, it is in the same order. Okay, cool. So now we need to do left join on examinations as E on. So examination as the student have the student ID and it have the subject name. So we take the subject name, we make it equal to the examination subject name, and we're going to change that to an S. What does that do? Right? So if we add this one, my belief is that we'll have duplicated rows where sometimes we'll have nulls, sometimes not, like that. And so this is duplicated, but we also have some nulls. Cool. So now we need to do group by. We're going to group by the student ID and the student name, well, the subject name, and um, we're going to do a count. Um, has attended exam. And we're going to do order by the student ID. Let's see. And this got accepted because the order doesn't matter. Math, physics, programming, math, physics, programming. Alright. And we have the aggregated. Alright, cool. Submit. Okay. We reviewed the reuse of cross-join. That's cool. Next. Managers with at least 5 direct reports. Let me remove all that. And let's see. So we have an employee table. Only an employee table. Okay. And we want to know because John, uh, 5 direct report. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So John have is a manager of 5 people. Okay, cool. And so we want to know this guy. So, hmm, let me see. We need to count the manager ID and associate it with the ID. So if we take, I just did something that doesn't make sense. Or does it? Hmm, that's interesting. All right. If I force a name here, it will duplicate rows, or no. Right. It takes the first one. Right. Cool. Okay. Okay. So I think I'm not that bad because now I just need to do who is temp table as bam. All right. Then select temp table. From temp table, select. So here we need to do the where cnt superior or equal to 5. Let's see if that works well. I don't see why it wouldn't. See. I think I need to pass it like that. Oh, I think that I need to do it here. Just want to make sure that the equal superior equal to 5 works. Right. So now I need to select manager ID 5 from temp table where, and so now I can do a left join to the employee table, to the employee on manager ID 5 equal to employee ID. What does that do? I'm not sure I even need to use, but I think the where close needs to go afterwards. And now I just need to get the name. Let's see if I submit. So here I'm getting null with my code, and it should be name. SQL if null, right? Alright, let's try that. I've been wanting to try something like this. So I'll do select case when name is null, then else name end. Let's see. Ah, as name. Right, that one works, but what about the other one? What? I don't know. I don't want to lose too much time on this. And of course, I was doing. Of course, I'm doing a left join. I should be doing an inner join. And the count could be in the having section after the group by. Ah, of course it's giving me null. I'm using a. Oh man. And this is having CNT. I think I need to specify that count here because CNT won't be recognized. Or no. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, okay, that seems to work too. Nice. Okay, let's go. Let's go on. Let's test this one. Let's remove all of that and let's go. So, what do we have? We have signups and we have confirmations. I'm just going to move my face. The confirmation rate of a user is the number of confirmed messages divided by the total number of requested confirmation messages. The confirmation rate of a user that did not request any confirmation messages is 0. Round to 2 decimal. Confirmation rate of each user returns a result table in any order. Sorry. So, confirmation rate. This is user signups. Confirmation. Timed out, confirmed, timed out, confirmed. Okay. So we want to count the overall group die user ID. Sign up. Confirmations. Okay, and this is the output. Um, I just want to get the count action from confirmations. Select count action from confirmation. Group by user ID. What do we have? We'll have for 3, we'll have 2. 7, we'll have 4. And this one will have 2. 3, oh sorry, just 3. 2, 3, 2. Okay. Okay, so this is the total. Mm. And we want confirmation rate. I think we can use the when case. Um, so we will need the user ID. We will need C7. Does it need to be ordered? Any order. Write a solution to find the confirmation rate of each user. Confirmation rate. That work. Let's see. Oh, I have a column action. Right. Come on. What does that give me? 49. Of course. Now let's see what do we have here. I mean, let's select all. I want to get a good understanding of when you do this, what happens. Um, right. Right. So now I can do group by C1 dot action. Select count C1 dot action. All right. All right. Let's do something. Let's do this. And let's do this. And we'll use this. Ran. No. C1. Ran. Understood. Understood. 1, 2, 3. So by grouping by, we have the right count and we have the ID. No, we lost something. Where did... Um, But this should be user ID, of course. We don't want to group by action because then we'll have just to type and it will count the user ID. Now, I'm not sure even what would it do, but this is correct. So as total, so this is our total with a temp table as this. Okay, okay. Um, select select all from confirmations. It's 25. Didn't put the timer, but should have. So now, oh, sorry, from timetable. So now, based on that, we can use the when case. Case when. All right, we'll continue tomorrow. I have on this one, I want to do a when case, and I also want. All right, let's try to do quickly. Select case when case when case when SQL case when user ID case when user ID. Does that work? I'm not even sure. Okay, let me try something. Let me try something. Select temp table. Select all from temp table. And the from we keep it. Goodbye. Now. Now what I want to try is when. This is a case when C1 action equal to when equal to time out, then count that end as, let's see, what do we have? Oh, wow. So we need confirmed, we need the total, case when blam, and count total. Let's see. Of course, the comma, always the comma. For the third guy, two timeouts, this is a 0. We could, so 7, it's 1. The second, it's 50, because it has count test confirmed, but the second doesn't have confirmed. 0 on 2, that's 0. This one is not correct. Hmm. I'm shuffling. All right. I'll continue tomorrow, but I believe that this one I don't want to look at the solution because I believe that this is the best way for me to learn the case. And I'm thinking of different ways, but I'm just running my head. All right. See you next time. Ciao.